In May, Google announced new tools to help businesses during the pandemic. One of the features announced was an online class and online bookings. Now it appears this new feature is being tested in the My Business platform. Google is adding a new button to the platform to enable businesses to hold virtual appointments and online classes. They have also added new business attributes including online classes, online appointments and online estimates. Currently it looks as though you'll need to be partnered with a business as part of the Reserve with Google program. This program allows specific partner businesses such as Booksy to integrate the booking feature into Google My Business. Google hasn't made the new features very clear, but right now it seems you'll need to set up an account with one of the Reserve with Google partners to access these features.
Don't forget to get these updates straight to your inbox. Subscribe using the link in the description.